Hello mga kakusina! Welcome back to my cooking channel, the Kusinera At Its Finest. Today I am cooking something crispy, savory, and super satisfying. This is my version of crispy salt and pepper pork. Let's start by marinating 1 kilo of pork belly. This is sliced into bite-sized pieces. I used the juice of 2 lemons and a good amount of Knorr liquid seasoning. Mix everything well and let it sit for 30 minutes. This will give the pork a nice balance of tangy and umami flavor. While the pork belly is marinating, let's make the salt and pepper seasoning. In a bowl, combine 2 teaspoons of Himalayan salt, 3 teaspoons of sugar, and a teaspoon of freshly ground black pepper. Set that aside for later. After marinating, we will add cornstarch to our pork belly, making sure that each piece is coated. Now let's start frying our pork belly. I am using a combination of used oil and new oil. We will deep fry our pork belly until golden and crispy. Drain and set aside. Look at that crunch. After frying our pork belly, remove most of the oil and start to melt some dairy cream. We will start sautéing sliced green chilies, red and green bell peppers, and chopped red onions. This is where the flavor really comes together. Add the crispy pork belly and toss everything well. Season with salt and pepper mix to taste. Give it a final toss until everything is well coated. And there you have it mga kakusina, crispy salt and pepper pork. Perfect with rice or even on its own. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to the Kusinera At Its Finest. See you again on the next video mga kakusina. Thanks for watching. Bye!